In FX1, there are many different ways to create and use indicators for your trading, whether you're doing manual trading and you're just using it for decision support, or whether you want to have actual values updating in your spreadsheets that you can then use as part of your automated or semi-automated trading, where it is part of your trading signal. And one of the things that a lot of people like to do is create the indicators longhand within the spreadsheet so they have full control over all the calculations and every aspect of the math and functionality of those indicators. And we'll see an example of that now underlying this top sheet here, which is the consensus indicator that takes 5 different technical indicators: the pivot, reversal, a trend-based indicator, a moving average-based indicator, and a momentum indicator, and creates a consensus that looks for some sort of agreement as to the direction in which the market is going, to give us sort of a strong indication of what we think is going to happen based on these technical indicators. These indicators are actually underneath in additional worksheets in longhand form. So here, for example, is the momentum indicator. We can see we've got the market data itself here. We've got the momentum indicator here with its formula. We've got a signal that we're creating here. We're taking the sign of that just as a positive one or a minus one. We've got parameters for controlling that indicator. And we're basically just pulling through the current signal. In this case, it's the 0th index, or this topmost value, which is a sell for the momentum indicator. And if we go back to the consensus top sheet, we will see that the momentum indicator is in fact in a sell mode. And this is updating in real time. We have our moving average crossover type indicator here on this sheet. We've got a trend indicator on this sheet, all similarly set up with parameters and creating signals that we can pull through to the consensus top sheet. We've got a reversal type indicator here using RSI as its foundation, and we've got a pivot-based indicator here for that particular aspect of the consensus indicator. And so those are all examples of indicators that are built in longhand in a worksheet, and most of them were obtained by just searching the web and finding indicators that were implemented within Excel that are just available freely in the public domain. You can copy the formulas and paste them directly into an FX1 spreadsheet, or you could even open those Excel files right here within FX1 and simply add the real-time streaming data that FX1 provides and expose any parameters that you want to expose and make any changes that you'd like to change, and literally create any kind of indicator that you like. And again, taking advantage of some of the spreadsheet charts to create any type of a display for those indicators that you might like this top sheet here for the consensus-based indicator.